There's one gadget on this list that can fix your car in seconds, with one hand, and most drivers have never even heard of it. We're also looking at a tiny box that turns your boring car radio into a smart screen. For less than the price of lunch, and here's the controversial one. Number 13 costs over $400 for a part that doesn't even make your car go faster. Is it worth it? You decide. Stick around, because the most surprising gadget on this whole list is saved for last. Let's get into it. Number 21, Auxbeam RGB Switch Panel. You've got too many extra lights and gadgets in your truck or off-roader. Fog lights, light bars, winches, and your dashboard looks like a mess of random switches. The Auxbeam Switch Panel cleans that up completely. It controls up to 8 devices from one small panel. Each switch glows in color, so you always know what's on. And it's fully waterproof, built for trucks, boats, and off-road rigs. Here's the catch. Wiring takes some patience. This is not a 5-minute plug-and-play job. You'll want some basic tools and a bit of time, but once it's in, your whole setup feels professional. This one comes in at $169. Number 20. Andobil Ultimate Phone Mount. You're driving, your phone is sliding around on the seat, and you're trying to glance at maps without crashing. The Andobil Ultimate Mount fixes that for good. It clamps into your cup holder. The gooseneck stretches over 20 centimeters, so you can put your phone exactly where you want it. And the grip opens in less than a second with one button. The only downside? It does take up your cup holder. So if you drink a lot of coffee on the road, you'll need to pick a spot. For everything else, it's rock solid. Just $26. Number 19. BATOCA Cordless Car Polisher. You want your car looking showroom fresh, but hand waxing takes hours, and your arms are dead after 10 minutes. The BATOCA Polisher does the work for you. It's cordless, so no extension cords across your driveway. It has 4 speed settings, from gentle to heavy duty, and the battery gives you about 2 hours of polishing on one charge. The honest limit here, 2 hours sounds like a lot, but a full car detail can eat into that fast. If you're doing a big SUV, you might want a spare battery. Still, for the price of one professional detailing job, you own this forever. It's $137. Number 18. K10 OBD Head-Up Display. Your eyes go down to check your speed. For 1 second, you're not watching the road. That 1 second matters. The K10 OBD meter puts your speed, RPM, and more right in your line of sight. It's a small head-up display that plugs into your car's computer. It shows real-time data without you looking away. And it's a simple add-on for almost any car with an OBD port. The caveat, it's basic. Don't expect fancy graphics or a big touchscreen. This is function over flash. But for safety and that race car feeling, it's hard to beat for the price. Just $51. Number 17. Baseus Tire Inflator. You're on a road trip. Your tire light comes on. You're nowhere near a gas station. The Baseus Tire Inflator is the tool you grab in that exact moment. It fills a flat tire in about 6 minutes. It works wireless or plugged into your car. And it doubles as a flashlight and a phone charger, with a 6,000 milliamp battery inside. Here's the catch. It's a backup tool, not a full air compressor. For daily heavy use, a bigger pump still wins. But for emergencies? This thing earns its spot in your trunk. It's $80. Number 16. 7-TimeEye T800 Dash Cam. Something happens on the road. No proof, no footage. Your word against theirs. The 7-TimeEye T800 solves that completely. It records in 4K from the front and rear at the same time. It has built-in GPS, so it tracks your location and speed. And it has a backup capacitor, so it keeps working even in extreme heat or cold. The honest downside, at this level, setup takes a little more effort. You're wiring 2 cameras, not just one. But once it's in, you have real proof, in real detail, every single drive. This one is $174. Number 15, UGREEN Bluetooth Receiver. Your car doesn't have Bluetooth, so every road trip means plugging in cables. The UGREEN Bluetooth receiver turns any car stereo into a Bluetooth speaker. It plugs into your AUX port. It connects 2 phones at once, and it even works for hands-free calls with a built-in microphone. The catch is simple. Your car needs an AUX port for this to work. If your car only has USB, this won't help. But if you've got that AUX jack, this is one of the best value upgrades on this whole list, just $9. Number 14. PHYEE CarPlay Radio. Your old car radio feels stuck in the past. No Apple CarPlay, no Android Auto, just an ancient screen and a tape deck energy. The PHYEE car radio brings your dashboard into this decade. It supports wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It has Bluetooth for calls and music, and it supports a backup camera, so you get safer reversing too. The limit, CarPlay and Android Auto are wired only here, no wireless connection. You'll need a cable from your phone every time. Still, for the features you're getting, this is a steal. It's $42. Number 13. Ford Raptor Performance Speed Meter. Now here's the controversial one. If you own a Ford Raptor F-150, your stock gauges are fine, but fine isn't exciting. This performance speed meter gives your dashboard a digital cockpit upgrade. It updates data in just 30 milliseconds, so there's zero lag. It connects directly through your truck's data system, and you get 8 color options to match your style. Here's the honest truth. This changes nothing about your truck's performance. 0 horsepower gained. This is purely about how your dashboard looks and feels. Is it worth $400 for that? That's up to you. It comes in at $446. Number 12. Cup Holder Expander. Your car has 2 cup holders. You have a coffee, a phone, sunglasses, and snacks. Math doesn't work out. The cup holder expander turns one cup holder into a small command center. It rotates a full 360 degrees. It has a slide-out tray for snacks, and it includes a phone mount too. The caveat, it does take up space around your existing cup holder, so check your car's layout first. Tight console designs might be snug, but for road trips with kids or coffee addicts, this is a small fix for a daily annoyance. Just $17. Number 11. Fuse Circuit Tester. You install a new gadget in your car. Suddenly, something else stops working. Now you're guessing which fuse is the problem. The Fuse Circuit Tester ends the guessing game. It reads circuits from 0 to almost 20 amps. It has a clear LCD screen, so numbers are easy to read. And it works on standard 12 and 48 volt systems. The honest note, batteries aren't included, so grab some before you need this in a hurry. For anyone doing their own car electrical work, this tool pays for itself the first time it saves you a guessing game. It's $18. Number 10. Magnetic Phone Mount. Suction mounts fall off. Clip mounts scratch your phone. You're tired of both. This magnetic mount skips those problems entirely. It uses strong magnets, so there's nothing to charge and nothing to clip. It rotates a full 360 degrees for any viewing angle. And it uses vacuum suction on the dash, so it stays put on bumpy roads. The catch, you'll need a metal plate on your phone or case if it doesn't already have magnetic support built in. That's a small extra step. Once it's set up though, it's the easiest mount on this list to use every day. Just $21. Number 9. Fovow Electric Car Jack. You get a flat tire on the side of the road. Now you're on your knees, cranking a manual jack in the rain. The Fovow Electric Jack changes that completely. It lifts up to 5 tons just by plugging into your 12-volt outlet. It has a built-in LED light for nighttime emergencies, and it comes with 8 different safety protections built in. The honest limit, this is for emergencies, not daily use. Don't run it continuously for long jobs. But when you're stuck on a dark highway, this is the difference between 5 minutes and 50 minutes. It's $126. Number 8. Steering Wheel Tray. You grab lunch on the go. Now you're juggling a burger, fries, and steering with your knees. The steering wheel tray gives you a flat surface, right where you need it. It clips onto your steering wheel in seconds. It holds food, drinks, or even a laptop when you're parked. And it's adjustable to fit different wheel sizes. The caveat, obviously, only use this while parked. It's a convenience tool, not a driving tool. For lunch breaks in the car or working from your driver's seat, it's a simple win, just $48. Number 7. Solar Aromatherapy Crystal Ball. Your car smells like your car. Old coffee, gym bag, fast food bags from 3 weeks ago. This solar aromatherapy ball quietly fixes that. It spins using solar power, so no batteries and no charging. It slowly releases fragrance to freshen the air, and it looks elegant hanging from your mirror. The honest note, this is subtle. It's not going to mask a really strong smell. Think fresh touch, not air raid of perfume. For the price of a coffee, it's a nice little upgrade to how your car feels. Just $5. Number 6. Neewer Suction Camera Mount. You want to film your road trips, but your phone holder isn't built for action shots, and it definitely can't hold a real camera steady at speed. The Neewer suction mount is built exactly for this. The 6-inch suction cup holds up to 80 kilometers per hour of wind force. The magic arm bends into any angle you need, and it works with phones, GoPros, and full DSLR cameras. The catch: it only works on smooth surfaces like glass or metal. Textured plastic dashboards won't give it a good seal. For anyone making road trip videos, this is professional level gear at a hobby price. It's $50. Number 5. LEIBOO Electric Foam Sprayer. Washing your car by hand with a bucket and sponge takes forever, and honestly, it never feels as clean as it should. The LEIBOO foam sprayer brings that drive-through car wash foam right to your driveway. It's rechargeable, so no hose hookup required. It sprays a wide fan pattern of thick foam that covers your whole car evenly. And it doubles as a sprayer for your garden or even bathing your dog. The honest limit: it's 2 liters, so for a big truck or SUV, you might need a refill partway through. Compared to a monthly car wash subscription, this pays for itself in 1 or 2 uses. It's $32. Number 4. Foldable Windshield Sunshade. You get into your car in summer, and the steering wheel is hot enough to cook an egg. The whole interior is an oven. This foldable sunshade blocks that heat before it happens. It covers your windshield with a reflective silver surface. It folds down small enough to fit under a seat, and it blocks UV rays that fade your dashboard over time. The caveat: it's a manual job. You have to remember to put it up every time you park in the sun. But compared to running your AC on full blast for 10 minutes every drive, this saves you fuel and sanity. Just $11. Number 3. Chenille Car Wash Gloves. Sponges hold dirt. That dirt then scratches your paint while you clean it. It's a cycle that's actually bad for your car. These Chenille wash gloves break that cycle. They're soft and thick, so they're gentle on paint. They absorb 7 times their weight in water, so less dripping everywhere. And they're machine washable, so you reuse them over and over. The honest note: they're not magic. Heavy mud or bird droppings still need a good rinse first. But for regular washing, gentle on your paint and easy on your wallet, hard to argue with this. Just $5. Number 2. Baseus Car Power Inverter. You're on a long drive, and your laptop is at 1%. Your phone died an hour ago. Everything in your car runs on 12 volts, but your stuff needs a wall outlet. The Baseus Inverter turns your car into a power station. It converts your car's power into a real wall outlet, up to 150 watts. It also has USB and USB-C ports for fast charging phones, and it shows you real-time voltage, so you know it's working safely. The catch: it won't run high-power stuff like a hairdryer or microwave. Think laptops and phones, not kitchen appliances. For road warriors and remote workers, this is a genuine game changer. It's $47. Number 1. Multifunction Seat Gap Storage Bag. You drop your phone, it slides into that gap between your seat and the center console. Now your fingers are stuck down there, and you're driving one-handed trying to fish it out. This seat gap storage bag fills that exact gap and turns it into useful space. It's made from PU leather, so it actually looks nice in your car. It has a built-in cup holder pocket on top, and it installs with 0 tools. You just slide it into place. The honest limit: it's not huge. Don't expect to store a laptop in here. Think phone, wallet, sunglasses, small stuff. But here's why this one means more than it looks. That little gap is where things disappear. Where your kid's favorite toy falls. Where your wedding ring slipped once and you spent 20 minutes on the floor of your car looking for it. This $9 bag closes that gap for good. No more reaching blind. No more losing things that matter. It's the cheapest thing on this whole list, and it might be the one you actually use every single day. Just $9. Closing: that's all 21 gadgets. Some are cheap fixes, some are big upgrades. But every single one solves a real problem you've probably had in your car. Now I want to know, which one surprised you the most? Was it the $400 speedometer? or that $9 seat gap bag at the end? Let me know in the comments.